Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that the price has made a very, very impressive move, and when you consider that not that long ago the price was down around that area of the chart, and now all of a sudden the price is up here. So yeah, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very nice move, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around an area down here at 57 cents. Why is 57 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 57. If the price were to go down to 57 and then just keep on going, so get to 57 and continue on down, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would literally have the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, however, in this situation, behaved like that and then began to work its way upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, that quote-unquote progress point sits right there at 57. What about levels of resistance headed into Monday? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward after today's price movement. A whole bunch of times, looks about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 times the price got up there at 64, could not push through it, which makes pretty good sense when you go back and factor in the history of things. I mean, right there you can see 64 has also knocked the price before. So I'm not saying 64 is impossible to break. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above 64 cents, but stay up above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice movement today, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.